Yo, it's your boy the C to the Y, the G to the Y, Cherry Jerry Bay Bay. And today I'll be doing a food review about nacho cheese flavored Oishi Migos. I can see why Oishi Migos is labeled as traditional, given Oishi's take on the way the Migos chips were made. The nacho cheese flavoring is not so overwhelming and instead tries to mimic a more natural tasting cheese flavor. The flavors instead gives more emphasis on corn flavoring. It's hard for me to explain, but Oishi Migos has a distinct addictive corn flavor. I like nacho cheese flavored Oishi Migos.